it's raining again, and my little cat is recovering very slowly. I'm wondering what will help my mood today. Hello fellow crafters, and welcome to this particular specific episode of Max TM Crafting. Behold the old first edition and the second edition of HeroQuest. I was in a special mood this week because unfortunately my little cat Gumball was hit by a car, and he went through a very serious surgery. So I was quite sad, very occupied to follow him during, after the surgery, and he was recovering very slowly. He's recovering still now, so very difficult. Actually, I didn't have time for a crafting video for this, beginning of the week. On this table, you can see something that must be venerated, respected. This is the first edition, Italian edition of HeroQuest. I was bringing these two boxes through all my movement. I have the first marriage and I bring it with me. Then I divorce and I leave it to my parents. Then I move to live alone for a while. Then I move it with me. Then I come back home. I have done a lot of changement in the house, and always I brought these two boxes with me. Too much time that I do not open these boxes. Since outside it's raining, and it's raining a lot in these days in Italy, and when you have this weekend with this mood, very specific, and I feel a little bit nostalgic. So I decided that this guy needs more respect, and I start from now a little project for cuddle it a little bit. First of all, in this first episode I want to open finally these two boxes, show you what I've done in my past when I was around 14, I think 14, 12 years old, something like that. And I bought the first, my parents actually bought the game. This is the game that mark, the line. In my life I had this possibility to apply D&D and fantastic adventure on a table with something concrete, something 3D. You know that I love this game, even if it is very old, and its mechanics are very simple, but still it's I don't know if it is because I'm nostalgic, or I think it's a great game. So let's check it out. Let's check what's inside. Okay, I remember that I have customized a lot this game. I think I have downloaded all the possible content, more or less. So this is like a treasure now. Okay, let's open it together. So as you can see, those are two boxes because this is the first edition, and then we have the second one with the expansion for the first edition. So basically I have double furniture, double miniatures, stuff like that. And we start with the first one. For now we put aside this for a while. Okay guys, let's open it. First of all, you can see the box is quite good. I put a lot of tape, adhesive tape here and there. There is a little dust, but quite okay. We have the oldest tabletop screen, okay? Gorgeous. Okay, immediately I can see that there is a mess inside, but if I understand correct, in this first box I put all the furniture, and here we have all the minis, I think. At least the unpainted, I don't know. You see, this was one of the first expansion for the first edition. This is the Italian version. Oh no, there are not mini here. I'll show you later. So basically here we have all the bases for the doors. Okay, classic couple of altars. I never understood why this comes without. I never had a piece here. I don't know. Maybe you can change it with this one, with the tomb, and do like this. No? No. Yeah, I never understood this. So, tomb, nice one. We have the two altars. Yeah. Fireplace. We have tables. This is another base for the doors. Wardrobe. Library. This was the mage desk, the old mage desk. Again, a couple of that. Another tomb. Those are in perfect shape. Torture table 1 and 2. I think I don't have the second. Those are for the altar. The candles, nice candles. I like those pieces. This one is broken. We have chests, the old chest, the throne, 1 and 2 throne. This is the beautiful weapon rack, 1, and we have another 1, 2. I remember more chests, I don't know, just a couple of them. So those are the treasure cards, treasures. So we have here open doors, all the pack of open doors. Those are a couple of stairs. Those are closed doors, and immediately you can see those are the classic. You can see closed door, but immediately I customize with some, those are prison gates. And in this one, I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you. Okay. On the other side, also you can see hungry eyes. So I started since the beginning to customize this game, okay, and I never stopped. Basically I never stopped during all my life to create stuff for implement the 3D experience. Here I have downloaded expansion. So these pieces I never used, but they are from some expansion. I don't remember the name. We will find them later. Never use them. So we have a lot of additional tiles. See, extra cards, a lot of them. This is the throne room. These coins in cardboard, those are coins that I was using, I remember, for additional extra experience point. When you kill a monster, you have extra points for experience and stuff like that. Yeah, so we remain with the empty box. Let me check if there is some secret. No secret here. So this is the original first one, okay? Now the second one, and this one is very heavy, very heavy. Oof. So this is HeroQuest, the new quests, okay? The expansion from the first edition. As you can see immediately, this one is another screen. Actually it's newer because I used very few times both of them. I was using basically combining the both of them. So this is one. I want to put it somewhere, maybe here. Nice, I like it. Then of course this one is the DM screen with the rules, some rules on the other side. This one was the original booklet for the second edition. Then I downloaded at least I don't know, we have the Barbarian quest book, the Mage of the Mirror quest book. Then we have Wizards of Morcar, another expansion. Ogre Horde, another expansion. Then we have another quest book here. the adventure design booklet. This one is very useful because you have actually a lot of empty HeroQuest maps. These one are the original instruction of the two of them, perfectly, look at that. They seems new, totally in great conditions. Quest books original, the two of them, for the two original games. Also, you see, those are perfect, like new. Okay, I'm surprised actually, they are very well conserved. This one is for the coming back, the return of the Signore degli Stregoni. And look at that, we have of course the original party cards, as you can see, the four of them. And look at that, when I was 12, 13 years old, I don't remember, 14 maybe, I create my first customized, this is for the cleric. Look at that, nice, so custom. Look at that, the very original. This Inoxinio Vinces, this one was my character, my barbarian. Cards, we have here monster cards, the magic equipment with a lot of custom for the equipment. As you can see, also here we have customized cards that I was producing. Those are the classic, and this one are the chaos spells and the elf spells from the downloaded stuff. And finally, okay, here we have all the miniatures. Some of them are painted, not all of them, some of them. This was my personal quest book, and actually guys, this comes immediately with the first edition. I know that more or less all of you have planned some personal quest. I think was normal, but this is 30 years old. Look, I was 13, incredible. And it's a normal notebook, and it's all written by hand. You have all the maps here, multi-level stuff, and it's basically full, guys. This is amazing, and actually this is quite an inspiration for the adventure that I'm running right now in my parties. So it's like a Bible for me, this one, and it's priceless. It's like you open this and I smell the start of my passion. I smell the very start of this hobby, guys. And this was actually the first stuff that I ever created by myself as DM. So this is the central piece. Now, what's the point of all of this? The point is that this game deserves more respect by my side. So I want to create something inside this box with the foam, of course, for put everything together and in a nice way. Okay, I will show you how I put all of this in in a new order. I want to say thank you to all of you that support me constantly through Patreon or PayPal. In these days, guys, I'm very sad. Basically, I was struggling a lot for having, just a moment like this one for say thank you in person. Your support is crucial, it's fundamental, is the only thing that sustain me, because this is a one-man show, guys, and your comments, your likes, your subscription, your support in general is something that gives me a lot of strength and energy. I use this hobby like, an escape way from the stress of my life. I'm sure, like all of you, or the majority of you is doing. This inspirational hobby, it's amazing because of the community. We are supporting each other, we are commenting, we are inspiring each other, we are helping each other, and sometimes it's like we are already a big family. For this reason, I want to use this nostalgic video for say thank you. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being on the other side of this camera now. That is actually my mobile, not so smartphone. Thank you for make this family a reality. We have a lot of fancy channel here in YouTube doing the same stuff. I'm not so fancy, but I hope just a little bit that you can feel my passion about that. Okay, if you feel this, I have accomplished my mission. So all the rest is just funny and playing and crafting and spending healthy, healthy, good time, okay, with this fantastic hobby. Till next time, cheers!